Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Still in Denmark, still having a blast in Copenhagen. Thought I would do a little night vlog. Thought I would test out the GoPro 7, doing some night videos, and thought I would just explore Copenhagen at night. So that's pretty much what I got going on now. I know a lot of people say, yo, Jermaine, you should go check out the nightlife, Maybe I'll do that. Maybe we'll see how this vlog turns out. But for now, I was just yesterday's vlog. I was walking around and I saw this guy on this bike with an iPad, and it looked really cool. Something I've never ever seen in California or the US. And I actually found those bikes right here. Check this out. So these are the bikes. Like, there's this stand, of course. These are all electric, by the way, because who wants to ride a pedal bike? Then you go up to the bike and you just press it. They have a little what do you call this, a website, and then the bike number C150, and then you just touch it to start. You can see that this bike is at 91% battery, and then we can touch English because I speak English. And then from there you add your user name and your PIN code, and you can straight up ride this bike. What else does it do? Oh, you have to sign in to do anything else. New user. I would try this out, but I don't think I'm gonna try it out. But this is super cool, yo. Why don't we have this in California? What are the prices? Let's check the prices on this. So it's DKK 30. So that's for 1 hour, that's close to $4 or $5. Not bad. It's pretty cool. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Grocery store time. I wonder what I'll find in here. This actually looks like a really fancy grocery store. What is that? Is this a pumpkin? I don't think I've ever seen a pumpkin like this before. Yeah, this looks like the Whole Foods of grocery stores for sure. I get that fancy meat. I don't even eat meat, but look at that. Let's find something to drink. What I've figured out is I always see people drinking. It's because it's cold outside, and if you drink coffee, you know what happens? Coffee gets cold, so you gotta drink beer. It'll keep you warm. Okay, wine? No. That's a random spot to find a Corona. Hey mate, do you guys have beer?
Yes. We have them.
Oh, here we go. There's some beers. I guess I'll just grab one of these, right? That's pretty cheap. This is what, about $1.30? $8.50? Maybe I should grab 2 of these actually. It's cold outside. Let's try one of these. No, wait. That's 0% alcohol. So we don't want that one. How did I notice that? Let's check out. Oh, more snacks. They're still trying to sell me stuff. Pistachios. Are those from California or from Asia? Huh. It is quiet out here. Look at this intersection. I got the little green man, or green person. All right, here we go. That's a pretty cool looking bike. $29.99. How much is that in US dollars? That is $463.20. Huh, for a bike. It also has that little lock thing on the back, so you don't have to carry a lock. I never see these in the US. These are really big in Europe and also Asia, the little lock thing on the back. In the US, you have to lock your bike to something. Otherwise, they'll just take your whole bike. Or they'll just take your whole bike and the thing that it's locked to, you know? Like this one right here, like this bike. Huh. Looking for some street art. There we go. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going with the flow right now. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Just go with the flow and have a beer, right? Yes. California kitchen. They got anything organic up in that joint? They got some vegan food up in there? Otherwise, it ain't no California kitchen. Dang, check out those falafel balls, yo. Look how big those falafel balls are. Those are gigantic. Let's keep going. So I don't know what this looks like, but check out that cathedral. It's wedged in between these 2 buildings. I want to say this was here first and they added the other 2.
Honestly, I just want to speak.
Here's some more crappy graffiti for you guys. Like, I just don't like that. Like, I just don't like it. I'm so glad America is not full of stuff like this. Like, that's just not cool. That's not beautiful. That's trash. Okay, what do we have here? What is this? Never seen this anywhere before. I don't think that grows in this part of the world. I could be wrong, but what is that? Check out these crazy looking masks, yo. Look at that. Looks gnarly, right? Blue hair and everything. I got some more. Yo, check it out. It's Temple Bar. It's the Copenhagen version. The actual Temple Bar is in Dublin, and I was in Dublin a few months ago, and I did not go to the Temple Bar just because I was there like earlier in the day, and I did not want to go and check it out. But you know what? Let's go check out the Temple Bar. Let's go do it. I mean, it's nightlife, right? Let's go to the Temple Bar. Cool beans. Just left the Temple Bar. Just met some super cool people at the bar. They were talking about healthcare in America, and I was like, yo. And then all of a sudden, that's pretty much how the conversation started. So we're gonna go over to this spot and I guess grab another drink. And they pointed me in the direction of this like hipster area, this like up and coming area, the area where all the young, cool people are. Maybe I'll check that out later tonight if I'm still awake. I'm like totally wide awake right now. I like woke up at like, I don't know, 1:30 or something like that this afternoon. So maybe I'll check that out later tonight. If not, definitely tomorrow. I definitely have to check out that area. But yeah, let's just keep walking. Let's keep cruising. Let's see where we go. Let's see where I'm gonna go to next. All right. I was told that the hippie area is like 4 train stops away, and I need to take this train right here. So let's go look for this new gentrification, or no, this new area that everybody goes to. Let's see how far it is. Wow, Google Maps says it's only 10 minutes away. So yeah, let's go. Time for another adventure. Let's figure out how to get a ticket. English. Yes. Is that English? I can't read that. This is actually where I want to go right there. It's like English. All right, pay and print. Let's do it. Did I take Apple Pay? Apple Pay? Come on, Apple Pay. You Danish are so behind. You don't have Apple Pay. Okay, cool. I have to reach into my backpack and pull out my credit card. This looks familiar. Is that the train? Yeah. Looks like I'm probably gonna miss that one. Oh, wait for the next one. Look at this train station, yo. Looks crazy, right? All these freaking escalators. Am I in Asia somewhere? That's actually going to the airport. That's the train I probably need to get on, actually. See if we can make it without running or rushing. Okay, we gotta get off here, which is now. Right here. Let's go. Huh? The what? You speak English?
Well,
You need help?
yeah.
What? Hello? The what station? Harco station? I'll walk with you. Let's go. I have to find it. Let's go.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Yeah.
You from here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Cool beans. Just got off that train there, and I was helping this guy trying to figure out which train to get on. I walked back downstairs and pointed him in the right direction. And how do I even know this? Well, I just got off the train. That's how I know this. But I'm just exploring this area here, and this is that hippie area. I have to walk down about 3 or 4 blocks. So I'll walk down about 3 or 4 blocks. Looks like someone, this is like a memorial for someone or something. Let's see, this area looks a lot different from the whole, what do you call that whole area? The city center area. This area looks a lot more local, looks a lot more chilled out. I don't know if you guys can see me because of this low light on this camera. It's kind of dark out, but I did explain to you guys that this would be a night vlog. Yeah. Almost there, almost there. I have to say, this area is pretty dang lively. There is so much action going on. There's so much to look at. There's so much to do. Maybe it doesn't look like it on camera, but it is. We're almost there. So Google Maps is telling me to go this way. It's telling me to go through this park, and I've noticed that, man, there's a lot of people piling out of that park. Check out this traffic. Maybe this is the happening area. Yeah, the traffic is one way to know. And also dreadlocks. This guy's got some really cool dreadlocks. I haven't seen actually any dreadlocks around here, but this is the neighborhood for all of that, right? Yeah, there's the green guy. Let's go walk up in this park like we've been here 20 times. No, check out some of this artwork. All right, just left the little hipster area, and there's a lot I could have shown here, but there's a lot honestly I just really didn't want to show. I kind of just wanted, you know, locals to just like do their own thing and not to come to a place and like show it off like that. So you know, one thing I will say about this place, it's a very fun place. It's a very happy place. It's very friendly. It's very unique. It's like this big park, and I'm kind of leaving because it's very difficult to show it to you guys because it's really dark. Maybe I should come back tomorrow before I leave, because tomorrow I'm taking off. And it's just very difficult to show because it's really, really dark, but it's a really, really cool place. But let's continue to explore. We're gonna keep this night tour going. This was just part of the night tour, and let's keep cruising. Now, this is definitely not the place you'd wanna bring a boosted board out right now. It's definitely not the place. Oh, wow, bottled water in the 7-Eleven is literally $3 plus. I'll take one anyway. Just got a falafel wrap from this place right here. Really, really, really good falafel wrap. Just ordered falafel with hummus, spicy sauce, no tahini sauce, because I don't know if a tahini sauce contains cherry or not. Therefore, just don't order a tahini sauce, and you'll avoid any hiccups or anything like that. Well, check this out. This looks pretty cool. Some artwork there. You can tell this has been here for a while because this has been shipped. Look at that. This has been here for a long time, actually. Look at all of this. Wow, it's just more and more and more. This is one of those dark alleys, just full of artwork. Huh, that's a big star. All sorts of board games over here. This is chess or checkers. I don't know about this. Someone's gonna have to let me know what that is. Also, this is just a big grass thing. Huh. Really, really nice bike trails over here. Good news and bad news. The bad news, it's raining. Check out this rain. It's raining, it's coming down. The good news is pretty much the hostel that I'm staying at is right here in this building here. So I don't have very far to go at all. So that's good news. That's really good news. It's really, really, really good news. I just come under this little area here really fast because it kind of just started pouring all of a sudden. So I thought I would slip the rain cover on the backpack to cover up my bag so I won't get it wet. But this place is super close, but this thing was a little bit closer to get to.